Alright guys, I want to talk about DAG or Constellation on the channel for the first time. Um, Now I could only find this on KuCoin. I couldn't find it on Binance or BitGet or any other exchange. Now you can see that DAG is breaking out, and basically it's broken above about 3.5 cents for the first time since back in July. So this is daily time frame. So July 1st we broke above it. But within a couple of days, we were back under about 3.5 cents. Now, we have had a couple of attempts basically here to break above recently, but we weren't able to do so. But basically, yesterday, for the first time, we broke above it. And I think the next resistance, guys, is really up here at about 6.5 cents on a weekly time frame. Now, to get really bullish, I'm going to say that DAG is probably going to have to break above here. Let's put this on a weekly time frame. Might be a little bit easier to see this. So, in this case, I'm going to say right here, basically at the top of the Fibonacci, guys. So at 12.2 cents, I think we will take out the great majority of this trading. And you can see that DAG did go pretty high, guys. Up to about 45 cents. Now, if I take a look here, okay, yeah, you can see also total supply, guys, is about 3.55 billion. Pretty much all of that is out now. I know it's not a max supply. Just kind of have to wait and see if they, mint some coins, but I hope not. But I want to take a look at the all-time high. Yeah, okay, 45 cents basically right here. So it's still down like 90%, guys. So still has really a long way to go before it gets back to all-time highs. But yeah, guys, I've heard some actually good things about this project just from a few YouTubers. So I don't have too much money in this. It's kind of one of my long shot or lower plays, we could say, So yeah, we just have to wait and see what happens with this. And yeah, let's take a quick look at Bitcoin here. Now, Bitcoin has actually made a new all-time high today. Let me put this on the hour so you can kind of see it. So basically, all-time high right now is 93,905 according to Binance. We just beat that from the hourly candle before, just slightly. So some exchanges gave me notifications that we crossed above $94,000, which, on Binance it looks like we didn't. So, there's going to be some variations here as to the all-time high. But let me put this on the daily now, real quick. Now you can see this daily candle is breaking above all of these other previous candles here. That's a good sign. Now I hope we can stay at least above 91,000. I would say that would be, very bullish, guys. We need to stay really above this yellow line. And yeah, the target basically, as I've mentioned before, is about $100,700 or $800 here on this bull flag. Now, long term, that bull flag that we created over months and months and months and months, guys, you can see we were basically 7 months, I think, in this flag. So now that target is up here at about $105,000, guys. So keep that in mind. So basically, short-term target, I'm going to say, is up here at about 100,700. Long-term, 105. But when you're so close, guys, like it is now, I mean, is it really a long-term target? It's probably even a short-term target. We're actually closer to $105,000 than where we came from when Trump was elected. So I think it's probably really a short-term target. After that, guys, we have to kind of reevaluate everything and see where this can continue. But my guess, guys, I always said between 80 and 120, but 150 if we get some really, really super cycle. So I think that's going to be really top. I don't think we're going any higher. Some people will disagree, but everybody can make their own guess, guys. So let's take a quick look here at the total crypto market cap, guys. Now we are making highs again. Today we hit $3.1 trillion in the market. So, we are getting a little bit of pullback though, as you can see. But if we can, close a daily candle above, this line, I think that would be super bullish, guys. No matter what the candle really looks like, as long as we can close above 3 trillion, excellent. Now, weekly time frame, we have to hold this to Sunday night when it turns to Monday, but I think we can do it, guys. Monthly time frame, yeah, I mean, this is one of the biggest monthly candles that we've ever seen. I don't even know if we've seen bigger. This one's pretty close, guys. But this might be the biggest monthly candle that we've ever closed if we can close it up here. So I believe it's going to happen. No matter what on the monthly time frame, I don't think we're going to close lower than these candles. So yeah, I do believe we're going to make a higher, high here, and that's bullish for crypto, guys. Well, taking a quick look at the dominance, guys, it is breaking above these lines that I drew. Now keep in mind, this is the 4-hour chart. It could easily wick up and then come back down, guys. I drew this line last night, and yeah, it's broken above it right now. So I'm going to remove this line, and let's just see if it holds here and it finds resistance, and then it starts to come back down. If not, guys, we have to see. Maybe we can draw actually a trend line here, and yeah, that could be another resistance, guys. At about what, 60.8, 60.79. But yeah, I mean, if it goes above that and closes, then we're going to be maybe in trouble. I think we could come back up to this red line. And we just have to wait and see, guys. We still have some hours before this candle will close on the 4-hour time frame. Daily time frame, I mean, this is a pretty large candle. It's a bullish engulfing candle compared to yesterday. So it's not good. Coin and crypto as a Google search term actually has come down a little bit, I think. Just looking at the numbers, and it looks like it's predicting a pullback here, basically, for Bitcoin at like a 41, and crypto is 16. So when we were all the way up here at what was that? I think it was, can't even get it to hit there. But yeah, here we go, 68. So yeah, it's predicting, I think, like a 41. So that's quite a pullback. And it's kind of crazy when Bitcoin is up here at basically all-time highs, guys. I mean, I guess people are just losing interest in Bitcoin because it's too expensive. I don't know. It's just my thesis, my theory, basically. So yeah, I mean, maybe people are just losing interest because they can't buy enough of it. And BlackRock and all these other companies, they're just dominating. So anyways, the altcoin season index, let's refresh that. Okay, it has come down a little bit, and yeah, guys, that's due to that dominance, basically, like I said, coming back up. So yeah, that's why you're seeing altcoin season move down slightly. Basically though, I think all weekend and yesterday we were pretty much between 39 and 41, so it's not that big of a difference, really. Now, we are in extreme greed. From yesterday, we went up from 83 to 90. Kind of crazy, I mean, I didn't expect that, actually. And yeah, I mean, yesterday we didn't really have a mega candle. We kind of got pushed down under that resistance, basically, that I've drawn here with this line. But still, we managed to go up quite significantly on the fear and greed. And a quick look at the crypto bubbles, guys. There are a few projects here that are in the green. Akash, you do have GRT. Here's Peanut. This is some new meme coin or something. Algo is up. Ondo slightly, Uni slightly. So if they're up, they're slightly up. Nothing too major. About an hour ago or 2 hours ago, you were seeing like 15 and 19% here, but not anymore, guys. And that's due to this pullback, really, on Bitcoin. So yeah, I mean, it's still a nice candle, guys. At 92,400, I mean, you really can't complain here. Now, if you guys want to stake your Constellation or DAG, there are some places that you can do it. And yeah, I'm actually kind of surprised to see CoinW with 30% flexible staking, you know, so I might have to look into that, guys. I think I have mine just in Bitrue and I'm only getting about 0.5%. So yeah, you know, that's why I check these and show you guys, you know, in Coinondo where you can find things. Sometimes it helps me out, you know, so I find, you know, these deals sometimes 30%, that's not bad. And I think it's probably pretty cheap to send DAG to CoinW. So I just have to check out maybe some of the parameters there and see if it's really worth sending. So yeah, that's Constellation, guys. So basically, you know, it is looking a little better. Still kind of far from out of the woods, basically. Like I said, up here at the top of the Fibonacci here, from this lowest, you know, Fibonacci level, that's when it's probably going to start getting bullish. But you know, that's like a 3x away, guys. So not impossible. You know, it is moving pretty well today. I mean, it's, if I refresh this, yeah, it's 17% up at the moment. So yeah, actually it says here, I should have looked here, but yeah, it's 15% according to KuCoin. Maybe CoinGecko lags a little bit. But yeah, I do think this is, you know, a project to kind of watch, guys. It has been mentioned by a couple of other, you know, bigger influencers. And I do have a small bag of it, but, you know, let's see. Anyways, if you like this video about Constellation or DAG on the ticker, like, subscribe, activate the bell, and guys, I'll see you in the next one.